Hello everyone, Angela here, and today we are going to talk about how to use the transcripts to enhance our listening comprehension. So the transcripts from the audios, and remember in my book you cannot find them, but you can find them in the Stark Verlag book. They are kind of like the secret roadmap to the listening parts, to the audios here. Let's go to see how we can use them to improve our listening skills. The first step is quite clear. You just listen to the audio while you are training, during the preparation, without the transcript. Now, you try to understand, of course, as much as you can, and you take your notes as we have seen in previous videos. Afterwards, we use the transcript, and with the transcript in our hands, we mark the tricky spots. Are there any unknown words? Then we can highlight them. For example, if emissions, a word that we used in our previous videos, if that word gets you puzzled, circle it and look it up. Remember, this is DictCCF I told you about. The third step here is to listen again to the audio, but this time with the transcription in your hand. It's like having the guide to the second trip, which is going to show you the pronunciation of the words, especially of the words we don't know yet, and how the words flow. The next step, if you ask me, is theater time. So listen again and read the transcript aloud. Okay, you have the transcript, and afterwards you read this transcript aloud, trying to imitate the sounds and the pronunciation that you have heard before. So this is all about feeling the rhythm and dealing with the intonation and the melody of the words. Take my word for it, this practice, reading aloud with the transcript after having listened to the audio, is gold to improve not only your listening skills, but of course also your pronunciation skills. And the final step here is to compare your notes to the transcript. Just make a note, mental, or write it down on the passages which were more difficult for you. So focus on these areas for your next practice. And as I have already mentioned, you already know where to find the book, you already know to find all the books and all the links, which is in the description of this video. And if you happen to have any questions, any comments, anything, or if you are missing something here, if you would like me to tell you about something else, please drop a comment. Bye, happy preparation, and have a lovely evening.